It is time to open our daily boxes for the Stitch Supply Company. Hey, I'm Becky from Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group, where I help you finish what you start, use what you have, and build friendships without even leaving your home. You are invited to join me there if you are interested. Check the link in the description. All right, we are going to open this every day, and you're going to see what's inside and what is included. Let's check it out. Day 24. This is very light. A bobbin, embroidery bobbin. I don't know. No, it's not. It's a sticker, Maker Valley sticker. That's cute. Oh, I love how the sides and stuff, everything fits perfectly. I have a collection of stickers. I have a few on my sewing machine, but then I also have them on my laptop, which I love. This is definitely going in the collection.